If you are looking for archival material, you will want to search the University of Northern Colorado's finding aids in ArchivesSpace. This video will teach you the basics of searching in ArchivesSpace. ArchivesSpace contains descriptions of archival collections held at the University of Northern Colorado Archives and Special Collections. The collections themselves, the actual stuff, is located within closed stacks, meaning that, unlike material throughout the rest of the library, you can't wander the shelves browsing the archival collections. Because of this, we have to describe the collections. Each collection is described in what is called a finding aid, and ArchivesSpace contains these finding aids. It's kind of like a library catalogue, only instead of describing books and periodicals, we're describing archival collections. To access ArchivesSpace, go to the Archives and Special Collections homepage and click on the ArchivesSpace link, or go directly to uncoarchives.coalliance.org through any web browser. The ArchivesSpace homepage contains a search box. Type your search terms into the box and select which record type you want to search for. I recommend searching all record types or selecting Limit to Collections, because there is currently very little digital material described in ArchivesSpace. Next, choose which field to search. We'll choose keyword for this example. If you want to limit your results to only collections containing material from certain years, enter a date range in the From and To fields. For this example, we're looking for material on women artists in the late 20th century. Click Search. This search generated 38 results. Note there are additional filters on the right side of the screen. The first filter is Type, which is an important feature to understand in ArchivesSpace. ArchivesSpace contains several different types of records. Here we see two, archival record and collection. The collection record will be easiest to navigate from because it is essentially the home page or beginning of the finding aid. Archival records, on the other hand, are parts of a finding aid, such as a series, file, or item within a collection. Looking at the results list, ArchivesSpace always lists the collection records before other record types. You can identify which type of record it is by looking directly underneath the title. Let's click on the first result, the Chris Petter's Papers and Artwork. This will bring us to the finding aid for this collection. There are three parts to an ArchivesSpace finding aid: the collection overview, collection organization, and container inventory. There is also the collection organization window on the right-hand side of the screen. These different views exist to help you navigate the finding aid and find information you're looking for. We are currently looking at the collection overview. Here we can read a summary of the collection's contents, if it has any access restrictions, and see how large the whole collection is. You get even more information when you click on Expand All. As you scroll down, you may find biographical information, subject terms, information about the finding aid itself, and, at the bottom, contact information for the archives and special collections. Some finding aids have more information than others. For additional instructions on finding more information within ArchivesSpace, please watch Advanced Finding Aid Navigation in ArchivesSpace. If you find a description of something that you want to look at, you'll need to visit the Archives and Special Collections reading room, and that is easy to do. Just contact us by phone or email, or stop by during open hours. We're located in Michener L119. We look forward to assisting you.